present to you Mr. and Mrs. Maverick and Joyce Cruz.
Maverick, you may now kiss your wife, Margaret Joyce.
We could be anything we dream. Make whatever we believe. I've been waiting my whole life for you. I would wait 1,000 more, it's true. Well, I've waited for you.
Favorite nyo talaga si Gandalf?
Actually, si Mav yung mahilig sa Gundam din. Nagkaroon ng collaboration, 4 years yata. Then, ayun, na-impluensya niya na ako mag-start mag-collect. May Gundam na din ako. Marami na din ako nahanap ng mga Hello Kitty. Para personality talaga namin ni Mav. Hello Kitty and Gundam. In one. Parang commercial ng shampoo. Diba? Sunsilk.
I've had some good days, and I've had some worse.
Ito nga, exactly 5 years ago, June 30, 2018 yun. Magkikita kami ni Mav sa may magkikita kami sa Coffee Bean. Nakatayo siya doon sa may dulo. Kaya naka-yellow siyang shirt. Wrangler. O, di ba tanda ko pa lahat? Tapos naka-jeans, tapos naka-boots siya. Yung classic boots niya. Kaya akala ko matangkad siya, yung pala naka-boots lang siya.
I'd take out a loan for just one day alone, to run back the time in slow motion. I'd sell my guitars, I'd spend life behind bars, to take one more trip through the story night. 'Cause this was the best day of my life. Thanks for the best day of my life.
Tapos eto pa, kailangan ma-shoot ko. Si Mav, edi naglalakad na kami. Tapos ihahatid niya na ako. Aba, nakaganon pa sa akin. Nakaganon na.
Hindi, naalalayan ka lang.
Oo. Pero ito na, di ba, nasa bus stop na ihatid na ako. Aba, hindi niyo to i-expect na ginawa ni Mav. Aba, nag-kiss sa cheeks agad. Ah, di ba?
Mabilis naman naman.
Ow! Parang, di ba? Si Mav ba yun? Parang, isipin mo si Mav yun? Hindi. Ito naramdaman ko. Doon ko naramdaman yung spark. Kaya alam ko si Mav na.
The search is finally over. And I know, feel na feel ninyo, Lord, siya na nga po ang para sa akin. We are destined to be together.
The grace to remember, Sonny, that home is not a place. I'd take out a loan for just one day alone, to run back the time in slow motion. I'd sell my guitars, I'd spend life behind bars, to take one more trip through the
In
storm.
sickness and in health. Alam niyo dalawa, amongst the couples whose marriage I solemnized, you are the first one to confront this question seriously, even before your I do's, because of Margaret Joyce's condition. Diba? But you chose to continue with the sacrament of matrimony. Margaret Joyce, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Maverick, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Uy, wag naman. Sabi ko, pag nakita ko kayo, matatawa ako. Parang maiiyak ako.
Take one more trip through the storm.
Oh, bye!
This was the best day of my life. Thanks for the best day of my life.
You always ask me, bakit ikaw? Bakit tayo? And even before this day, before this wedding, you still ask me if I want to continue. And probably, even after this wedding, paulit-ulit mo pa rin ako tatanungin, bakit ikaw? I always answer basta.
Kahit isa tinatanong ko siya, bakit ako? Basta ako daw. At kung ano man, hahanapin niya, ako pa din talaga. Ano naiyak na po talaga ako?
Together, we are better than we could ever hope to be alone. And today, I give you my oath, my trust, and fidelity forever. You will always be the best part of my day. Basta baby, lalaban ako para sa'yo. Lalaban ako para sa atin. Kahit mahirap, kahit hindi man lifetime, basta habang kaya mo. Hindi ako susuko. I love you so much.
No reason why I love you. No reason why I will always choose you. No reason for me to be always there for you. Despite all the difficulties that we will be facing, the next time you ask me why, there's no reason. It's just that basta.